Here's how to fix GeForce Experience error code 0x0003. First, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Then, open the Device Manager application from the search results. Inside Device Manager, expand the Display Adapter section. You should see your NVIDIA graphics card listed here. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Next, choose Search Automatically for drivers and allow Windows to check for the latest available driver. Make sure your graphics driver is up to date, and once the process is complete, close Device Manager. Now, open the Start menu again and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Open the firewall settings. From the left-hand side, select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, click Change Settings, and then select Allow another app. Choose Browse, and now we need to locate the NVIDIA application. If you don't know where the NVIDIA app is located, simply go to the Start menu and search for NVIDIA App. Then, right-click on it and select Open File Location. From here, copy the path from the address bar. Now, go back to the Windows Defender Firewall window, paste the path into the location field, and press Enter. Here, you'll see the NVIDIA app. Select it, then click Open, and after that, click Add. Once it has been added, find NVIDIA app in the list and make sure both private and public network access are enabled. After that, click OK to save the changes and then close the firewall settings. After that, open the Start menu and search for Services. Then, open the Services application. Scroll down through the list until you reach the NVIDIA services. We're going to work with the 3 NVIDIA services shown here. First, locate NVIDIA Display Container. Right-click it and select Restart. Once that has restarted, find the NVIDIA FrameView SDK service. Double-click this service and check its service status. If it isn't running, click Start to start the service. Then, click OK to save the change. After that, right-click the NVIDIA FrameView SDK service and select Restart as well. Finally, locate NVIDIA Local System and right-click it. Select Restart. Once you've completed these steps, close the Services window and check whether the GeForce error has been resolved. If you're still experiencing the problem, open the Start menu again and search for Run. Open the Run application. In the Run box, type %local app data, %and, then press Enter. This will open your local app data folder. Find the NVIDIA Corporation folder and open it. Inside, open the NVIDIA App folder. Look for the folder named CEF Cache. Right-click this folder and select the Trash or Delete option. If Windows tells you that the folder cannot be deleted, make sure App is completely closed before trying again. Once you have done that, open the Start menu and search for Programs. Then open Add or Remove Programs from the search results. Use the search box at the top to find NVIDIA App. Once you locate the application, click the 3 dots next to it and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstall and wait a few moments while Windows removes the application from your computer. After NVIDIA has been successfully uninstalled, close the Settings window. Now open your web browser and search for NVIDIA App Download. Open the official NVIDIA download page from the search results and click Download Now. Once the installer has finished downloading, open the exe file. Follow the instructions shown on the screen to reinstall NVIDIA App. After the installation is complete, launch the application and check whether the error has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.